People always put such a thing on being a chef as like this, it's so hard, but what isn't hard if you want to be good at it? I had a little job working in a kitchen on Sundays, washing dishes when I was at college, and it just went from there really. I thought it was going to be something that I did till I found what I really wanted to do, and then it turned out it was what I really wanted to do. I think the main thing with sort of falling in love with being a chef and kitchens was the sort of instant gratification. You do something and you look and you instantly get that sort of praise for it. I think chefs are quite sort of shallow in that sense. You know, you want to be told you're doing something good, but also, you know, making people happy. To know what I was doing really, my business plan was like fucking Microsoft Word, one little A4 shit. Is like, honestly, it's laughable. You know, I've been very lucky with like the accolades that we've got and stuff. Do you know what I mean? Michelin Stars, GQ Chef of the Year. Let's get that one. You know, things like Michelin Stars. I mean, you know, when we won a Michelin Star, people are like, they start talking to you about, oh, how do you do that? How do you win one? It's like, I've got a fucking clue to it. Like, I still don't know. I genuinely, like, even though you have this competitive edge and you feel like you're doing a good job, you also have this mad sort of imposter syndrome. It's like an emotional roller coaster. Like 1 minute, like things are good, you're on a high, and you know, and then something happens and it's like, you know, the end of the world, and it goes up and down. But like, you never give up the highs for the lows. You know what I mean? You never would.
Check on, too pastrami, too pickled.
Yeah, it's stress and it's hard and all that, but I do what I love every single day, and I come in and work with people that I love, and I'm lucky in that sense. Inspiring people, mentoring people. I think for me that's a huge aspiration that I have now. Giving back to an industry that's given me everything.